Hi Zach. Do you know how urine is produced?
Of course, it's called urea cycle. Did you ever heard about that process?
It's the first time for me hearing about that. Can you explain more about that?
Sure, let me explain to you steps by steps.
The liver produces several chemicals like enzymes that change ammonia into a form called urea, which the body can remove in the urine. If this process is disturbed, ammonia levels begin to rise. Initially, there are 5 steps occur in this cycle which are 1. Formation of carbamoyl phosphate 2. Formation of citrulline 3. Formation of argininosuccinate 4. Formation of arginine 5. Formation of urea. Now let's take a look at the 2 processes before urea cycle take place. First is transamination, where amino acid broken down to glutamate by removing amino group. Secondly is oxidative deamination. This process, alpha amino group from glutamate will produce ammonia, NH3. For overview, ammonia will convert to urea to liver and eliminated by kidney. Urea cycle occur in our liver. First 2 reactions will occur at mitochondria, which are formation of carbamoyl phosphate and formation of citrulline, while the rest will occur at cytoplasm, which are formation of argininosuccinate, formation of arginine and formation of urea. Step 1. Formation of carbamoyl phosphate. Ammonia incorporated into carbamoyl phosphate is provided primarily by the oxidative deamination of glutamate by mitochondrial glutamate dehydrogenase. Formation of carbamoyl phosphate by carbamoyl phosphate synthetase I is driven by cleavage of 2 molecules of ATP. The carbon and oxygen of urea are derived from CO2. Step 2. Formation of citrulline. This is where carbamoyl phosphate will combine with ornithine. With the help of ornithine, transcarbamylase will produce citrulline, which will transported to cytoplasm. Step 3. Formation of argininosuccinate. Citrulline that has been transported to cytoplasm will combine with aspartate, and then it will lead to the production of argininosuccinate, that catalyzed by 1-ATP and argininosuccinate synthetase. Step 4. Formation of fumarate and arginine. Argininosuccinate is converted into arginine via argininosuccinate lyase. This reaction also gives off fumarate, which is involved in the mitochondrial generation of NAD in the TCA cycle, as well as tyrosine catabolism. The enzyme argininosuccinase catalyzes the elimination of arginine from the aspartate carbon skeleton, then will forming fumarate. Step 5. Formation of urea. In the last step of urea cycle, the enzyme arginase acts on arginine and lyses it to produce urea and ornithine. The ornithine is then transported back to the mitochondria to begin and repeat the urea cycle.
Wow, that's amazing! I can believe that it's occur in our body like that. Thank you, Zach.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye!